Hi, this is Ken Lau. Today I want to share with you what is filter. The filter concept is that you take a long list of data and then you apply a condition and then you come out with a shorter data set. Okay, so it is like what you did when you first learn about Excel. There is a filter feature, right? So let's say you have an orders table and there is a lot of data right here, and all you need is just that you want to look at cupcake. So you go to cupcake, and that Excel will just apply a condition. See, it apply a condition and then it come up with only the data that is for cupcake, only those rows that is cupcake, and ignoring that. And if you want to make it into another table, you can, right? Rather than just fill it on there, you can just do that. So what you do is that you can go to the data tab and you click on the advanced, and over here you can choose copy to an allocations, right? What's the criteria range? Oh, right, I want to set up the criteria range first, right? So I will just put a label, copy a label, and then the titles careers here, and I go to data tab, advanced, criteria range, copy an allocation, tell Excel where you want to copy to, so copy right here and click OK. So let's compare this list, right? We can't because it's really huge. But what you can see is that on the left hand side, data has comprised of other products, but on the right hand side, you have only the cupcake, and it's on a different table, right? So this is what Power BI filter all about. It's come back to this, right? Orders and go to here. So let's jump to the Power BI. So I have created a cupcakes only. Let's just go to delete this. So you go to the reports view, and then over here you can, so we already have 3 tables, and we just want to create another subset data, a sub data set of orders table. So we'll just go to the new table, and here I give a name. I want to just put it cupcake only. Okay, and here I just type in filter, and the table that I want is order. Okay, it's just as if you want to tell Excel that, Power BI that, hey, I'll look at this orders table, right? And what's the condition, right? This next one I want to talk about. Okay, so the table, the condition is if the orders in this particular column called products, right? The value is equal to cupcake. Yes, it's a cupcake, and show me only those records, those transactions that is cupcake, make it into a new table. And just done, right? We just created a new table. Now shift over to the data view, and we have a new table, right? Out of this order table, there's all red beans, and well, we go to the cupcake only, and we will only have cupcake, and click here, there's only cupcake, and that is how you use a filter. Okay, so thank you very much, right? Let's see, is it that we do the same thing, filters and having this. I hope this is helpful to help you, and God bless you. Jesus love you. Stay resilient, stay safe.